Oh, it's recording. Okay, guys, today's just going to be another short vlog. I just wanted to show you my dad's new truck. Let me cover up the license plate. Here, let me try to cover up his license plate with my foot. That didn't work. Whatever. That was the front. Here's the side. He just got this truck yesterday. It's a Tacoma. It's got nice little things right there. A lot of space in the back. Alright, the other side, and now I'm getting close to the house, so you're probably gonna get a too close of a view. Alright, let's give you the inside. Now this is one of the ones where you can start it without the key in. But you can't like use it until you put the key in. But yeah, so this is nice. It's got a nice CD player right there. And like this is really cool. You got specs right here. I'm afraid to honk it, but I want you guys to hear the honk. There, that's the honk. Got this right here. Put your specs right there. Let's see what we got. I don't know what the heck these are. They're just useless crap. And then you got some Germ-X. Look, this right here. You can barely see it because it's dark in here. There we go. Should be a little better. But this right here you can plug chargers into. And then this is where you plug in like a device for any speaker uses. So it'll play, so we're playing on the device through here. Yeah, that's the front. Oh wait, I should probably show this. How do you open this up? Ugh. Well, I'm gonna have to figure out how to open this up first. Oh. See, just gonna keep these on. See, press right here. Oh! See, press right here. Oh, you don't even have to look. Whoa! It's a Ninja holder. Didn't make any sense. But yeah, he's got his CDs, his bandades right there. Let's go to the back. Alright, obviously the car has its windows open, doors open. My mom's van shows which doors are open, which I think is cool. Anyways, I guess this won't be a short vlog. It's just not going to be like my normal vlogs where I like vlog my whole entire day. Gas holder thingy. Okay, this one automatically turns the lights on, baby. Touch me. Oh. Cup holders. Capped bottle only. Okay, light. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you right here. You can how do you I see. Sunglasses. Just a second, I gotta do something with the sunglasses. I just have to do it. I'll be back. Sorry guys, my camera cut off the recording stuff and I was still showing you the car tour. I don't know if it had too much space, but oh, weird. And there's nothing in there. Oh, the garage door opener and closer. Then the back is just basically a 3 people holder and an umbrella. So yeah guys, that's the new truck tour. So yeah, I hope you like this video and I'll talk to you later guys, bye.